Hello, Driving Intelligence. I have another following group. It's called Dixie Boats. It's for a boat manufacturer that went out of business in the 90s. I actually have a 1968 Dixie. It's a Holman Moody 177 SS. So I created that page to try to assist people with that boat manufacturer where there's no information out there on the internet for the most part. You can find that on Facebook, and I'll put a link below. But I've been getting a lot of questions about low power, and they all have kind of a consistent theme. Not getting enough RPMs on the boat, the power's not good, and so when I ask people, what have you checked? Typically they're replacing spark plugs, wires, things like that, things that cost money. But there's some quick and dirty checks that you can do that don't cost anything initially. The first thing you can check is the throttle cable. Make sure that the throttle cable is not stretched and that you're getting a full throttle opening. Now, just to make a note, this is for carbureted boats, but it can also be for non-carbureted. But today I'm specifically talking about older boats that have carburation. Another thing you can do is check your fuel filter. That could be plugged. But one of the other things that has been the consistent issue with some of these boats is that the timing has been way off. I had one guy yesterday. I asked him to check his timing when he was asking questions about that. When he checked his timing, it was about 8 degrees after top dead center, which is heavily retarded. He advanced it to 6 degrees top dead center, and he went from 3,900 RPMs maximum RPM to 4,800 to 4,900 RPM, and the boat speed went from 39 to 49 miles per hour. So that made a huge difference in the boat's performance, and it didn't cost him anything. Of course, this is assuming you've got a timing light. You'll need a timing light to do this, and you also need the specs for that engine, but a lot of these boats are like 6-8 degrees btdc. So check that next time you have low power, just some of those low cost issues, and see if that resolves your problem. And I'd love to get some more questions like this from all of you out in the community. These are quick and dirty. Perhaps we can help each other by sharing some of these types of resolutions. Abe and I would like you to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and provide comments below. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.